subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under A series, which is expected to call Oppo A31. Recently, the 91 Mobiles has revealed the renders and specifications of upcoming Oppo A31 smartphone. According to the leak, the Oppo A31 looks to have a water drop notch style display with small chin at the bottom. The rear panel of the phone appears to include a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. And there is also a rear mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The power button is seen on the right edge, while the volume rockers are visible on the left side. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 163.9 by 75.5 by 8.3 mm and it will weight around 180 grams. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A31 is set to support a 6.5-inch display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by MediaTek's Helio P35 chipset paired with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the triple rear cameras of Oppo A31 will house a 16 megapixel primary camera accompanied by 2 megapixel secondary camera and a macro lens camera. For selfies, there will be a 8 megapixel camera at the front. The device is set to pack with 4230 mAh battery and it will run on Android 9 Pie out of the box. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo A31 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.